In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fortinet account. We'll walk through the process from the Fortinet homepage all the way to setting a secure password, so by the end you'll be ready to sign into FortiCloud services. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Fortinet website. On the homepage, look toward the upper right area for the FortiCloud login option. This is the gateway to all Fortinet cloud services, including device management and support portals. Click FortiCloud Login. You'll land on a sign-in page. Since we're creating a new account, look for the Create Account link and select it. This takes you to the registration flow designed for new FortiCloud users. You'll be prompted to enter the email address you want to associate with your FortiCloud account. Use an email you can access right now because you'll need it for verification in just a moment. If you're setting this up for work, choose your business email to keep access aligned with your organization. Double-check for typos before moving on. A small mistake here can delay the process. After entering your email, click the Create Account button. A quick security check will appear. Complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you're a real person. When that's done, select the option to get the verification code. Fortinet will send a one-time code to the email you provided. Go to your inbox and look for the message. If you don't see it after a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. Verification codes usually expire after a short time, so use it promptly. Enter the code exactly as shown to verify your email and continue. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to create a password for your new account. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid common words or easily guessed details. If the page shows password requirements, make sure you meet each one before submitting. Consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store it securely. After you set the password, your Fortinet account is created. You can now return to the FortiCloud login page and sign in using your email and the new password. If anything doesn't work the first time, like not receiving the code, retry the verification step and confirm the email address you entered is correct. That's it. You've successfully created your Fortinet account and are ready to access FortiCloud services. Thanks for watching and great job getting set up.